So look at this amazing piece of equipment. It's just looks like a Y. It actually looks like football posts. But actually it's called a tuning fork. Yeah, I know it looks like one of the forks that you can stick in food and but actually it's used for music and it makes one sound. I don't know if people still use this with technology and tuners that you get on your phones and that kind of thing, but it's great. This is what you do. You tap it like that. Not too hard, don't hurt your guitar. On a table, okay, I'm going to do it on the guitar. And then this surface of the guitar is going to expand the sound and make it actually louder than what it is. But it's the one sound that we're looking for. So that is an E. If you turn your guitar around, this string in a standard tuning should be that exact E. Listen. Da, 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 da. It is an E. In this way, you just need the one sound to tune the rest of your guitar. There are 6 strings. You know that the first string is an E, and you also know that the 6th string is also an E. It's just lower, the high E and the low E. So the high E is your first string. The low E is your 6th string. If you have this sound for the first string, which is the high E, you can tune the rest of the strings. And I'm going to show you how. Isn't this amazing? Just a piece of metal, and it makes this great sound.